A number of laws will be implemented on October 1st, including one that prohibits law enforcement officers from handcuffing children under the age of 14.
Fox 61's Kate Pattyfoot joins us live now from New Haven with the details on this. Kate.
Brian and Sarah, what that law means is that children under the age of 14 who are cooperating with police in an incident will not be handcuffed. But in certain situations, some children who are not cooperating could be handcuffed. This bill was introduced because of the psychological effects handcuffing someone under 14 may cause. State Representative Greg Howard and Executive Director of CTVIP Leonard Jihad says in certain situations it is necessary to handcuff children that young.
Officers can use handcuffs when it was necessary for public safety, or if the juvenile is trying to use physical force. Generally speaking, I think that's when handcuffs are used on juveniles anyway.
You don't want to traumatize, a child or re-traumatize them, from past experiences. But, for certain circumstances, I think you have to do it on an individual basis. Jihad
works with at-risk young people in New Haven. He knows firsthand why you would handcuff a child.
Back in New Haven a few years ago, the most dangerous people, as described, by myself and community partners that deal with violence, they were 14 years old. They were actively shooting and causing great harm to the community.
Representative Howard says this law makes it more clear for everyone should a child need to be handcuffed.
What the law does is basically says if you're going to put handcuffs on a child that is under 14 years old, you have to articulate that there was a public safety risk or they were being violent towards you.
This law goes into effect October 1st, and for a full list of other laws that are coming to Connecticut, you can find that on fox61.com and the free Fox 61 News app. Live in New Haven, Kate Pattyfoot, Fox 61.